Hello people, welcome to Law Minds. In this video, we'll embark on a journey into the intricate realm of law, exploring the fundamental disparities between substantive and procedural law. As aspiring legal minds, it's crucial to discern not only what the law is, but also how it operates. Let's dive into the rich tapestry of legal principles that form the backbone of our justice system. To lay a solid foundation, let's begin by defining substantive law and procedural law. Substantive law. Substantive law outlines the rights, duties, and obligations of individuals and entities. It delves into the substance or merits of a case, determining what conduct is legal or illegal. For example, criminal laws defines offenses and prescribes penalties. Contract laws establish valid contract elements. Procedural law. Procedural law details the processes and methods for enforcing rights and duties established by substantive law. It governs how legal proceedings take place, ensuring fairness and consistency in applying substantive law. Civil and criminal procedure codes dictates how legal proceedings unfold. Let's discuss about the independence and interdependence between substantive laws and procedural laws. Let's explore the nuanced relationship between substantive and procedural law. Substantive law. It has individual capacity to decide the course of legal proceedings, but it has to rely on procedural laws for enforcement. Procedural law. It does not carry independent power to decide cases and depends on substantive laws for context and content. Now, let's delve into the nature and overarching objectives of these legal components. Nature of the substantive law. It is concerned with the actual content and rules of law, and its objective is to control and govern the rule of law as a whole. Procedural law. It is concerned with the legal machinery and process. It exclusively deals with legal proceedings and methods to initiate a case. Now, let's discuss some of the key differences between substantive and procedural laws. In the context of Indian legal system, procedural and substantive laws are two distinct branches that play crucial roles in the administration of justice. Understanding the differences between these two categories is fundamental for comprehending the Indian legal framework. Here's a breakdown of the key differentiators. First, definition and purpose. Substantive law. Substantive law defines the rights, duties, and legal relations of individuals and entities. It establishes the norms and standards that govern conduct, providing the substance of legal rights and obligations. Procedural law. Procedural law outlines the processes and methods for enforcing and protecting substantive laws. It governs the machinery of the legal system, ensuring fair and orderly resolution of disputes through prescribed procedures. Content. Substantive law encompasses various areas such as criminal law, contract law, tort law, and property law. It is concerned with the substance of legal rights and the consequences of legal violations. Procedural law encompasses rules of evidence, jurisdiction, trial procedures, and remedies. It is concerned with the means and methods by which substantive laws are administered and justice is delivered. Rights and remedies. Substantive law defines legal rights and entitlements. It prescribes remedies for violations such as damages, injunctions, or specific performance. But procedural law ensures due process and fairness in legal proceedings. Procedural law governs the mechanisms for seeking redressal and enforcing substantive rights. The next differentiator is due process. While substantive law may contain principles of fairness, its primary concern is the establishment of rights and obligations. Essential to procedural law is ensuring that parties receive a fair and impartial hearing, presenting evidence, and obtaining reasoned decisions. Examples of substantive law include criminal code, contract act, property laws, tort laws. And examples of procedural law are Civil Procedure Code, Criminal Procedure Code, and Evidence Act. The kind of judicial review these laws are subjected to is another differentiator. Substantive law is subject to review for legality, constitutionality, and compliance with fundamental rights. Procedural law is subject to review for fairness, reasonableness, and compliance with principles of natural justice. In conclusion, substantive and procedural laws are the yin and yang of our legal system. Substantive laws define the rules of the game, while procedural laws dictate how the game is played. Understanding this dynamic interplay is essential for anyone navigating the intricate corridors of justice. As we continue our legal journey, let's remember that it's not just about knowing the law, it's about comprehending its essence and ensuring that justice is not just a concept but a lived reality. Thank you for your attention. That's all for the video. Please like, share, and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel Law Minds.